Authentic Chinese Wonton Soup from Xinhui, China. Enjoy.
我的腌了2个钟头。
不可以的。你收了眼睛吗？
腌你煎鸡蛋，得吗？
得啦。
I'm gonna have some wonton here with my barbecue duck. So that's a good combination for me. So they got their own 5 ply, which is $1 Canadian.
Well, a dozen wonton in here. They're nice plump dumplings. Met a few people here just talking the local dialect. So the Xinhui dialect is similar to the Hoiping dialect. Of the 4 counties that went to Canada, this probably is the one that's more different than the other 3. So Xinhui, the other 3 are Toisan, Hoiping, and Enping or Yinping. 可以了。
弄到脸可以吗？
好。
弄到你的脸可以吗？
可以啊，可以。你放到WeChat 了吗？
我发到朋友圈去。
哦。
打广告。
OK， 得了 OK。OK 了 ，OK 了 ，OK 了。你玩撈門款嗎？你包嗎？你會煙嗎？
可以啊。
OK。就是的嘛。
啱好要乜料啊？
有香菇、木耳、馬蹄。
Okay, so this wonton has pork with mushrooms and 你燒晒開煙啊？好嘛？呢個快，呢邊個快？呢個快啊！你煎呢個，你煎呢個，你煎雪嘅，我煎呢個。
你不要拍到我的脸，你不要拍到我的脸。谁知道是你啊？怎么会没人知道是我？不要拍到我的脸。
我哋乜蘑菇啊乜啊？蘑菇。
木耳。
木耳，我呀，wood。
下邊最下邊一籠餃子撈去對面嘅。
So in the wonton, there's wood ear mushrooms, pork, and what's the last one? Mushrooms, Chinese mushrooms. So actually 2 Chinese mushrooms. So this is done live, so about a minute and a half to get so many wonton here. 你識下我的嗎？你識下我的嗎？
大保证你不知道我口水意吧？
聽不懂。
哦，聽不懂。
口水还是他拿什么意思
？OK 啦。
You're there with me eating the wonton soup here in an alley in Xinhui, China. Authentic Chinese Wonton Soup from Xinhui, China. Enjoy. We're going to make the wonton soup here. So we're using water chestnuts. So just take the skin off the water chestnuts by peeling them and then soak them in water. So we have about 9 of them here. And here we have the wood ear mushrooms. These are really crispy, so just chop them up into small pieces. You just take one of these mushrooms and soak them for at least an hour. And then just chop them up. And these are really nice shiitake mushrooms, also known as Chinese mushrooms. So these ones are nice and thick. These are expensive ones. So the cheaper ones are more thin. So these are nice and thick. So just chop these mushrooms into small pieces. So these are the ingredients you need for your recipe for wonton soup, authentic to Xinhui, China. So you just peel the water chestnut and then just chop it up into small pieces. So here we have half a cup of the wood ear mushrooms. So these wood ear mushrooms are crunchy. So these are the Chinese mushrooms we soaked for at least an hour. You can soak it overnight if you like. So just chop up the mushrooms really fine. So these are nice mushrooms. They're nice and meaty, real thick, and the cheaper mushrooms are thinner. So just put about a half to a teaspoon of salt. So I use the sea salt, a natural salt. Next we put in a teaspoon of sugar. Now we put 1 egg. So the egg acts as a binder. The recipe approximately like the one I ate at the restaurant in Xinhui, China. So just mix all the ingredients together. Yeah. So this is the store-bought wonton skin. You can make your own wonton skin, but it's a lot of trouble to make it. So most of the time I just buy the store-bought wonton skin. So I'm going to make the wonton right now. So just put about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of ingredient. So what I do is just wrap it up real simple like this. And give it a little twist on the end there. So here I have the lotus root soup made with pork bones. I can use that for the soup for the wonton. So this is a quick broth you can make. Yeah, you can make the regular wonton soup broth using pork bones and chicken bones. Just boil that for the usual way you make chicken stock. So you can boil the wonton just in plain water. The broth you already have ready. So now the wonton is floated to the top. Usually I let the wonton cook an extra 30 seconds or more. And you can also freeze the wonton. The frozen wonton might take a little longer, even if they float to the top. I let them cook for an extra minute. So these are the wontons, authentic wontons, same as the ones I had in Xinhui, China. So just put the wonton into a bowl like this. And I like to add some sesame oil. This is the pure sesame oil. So just shake about half a teaspoon in there. This brings out a nice fragrance in your wonton. So if you like, you can also add a handful of green onions. So I just add that right in the middle there. So there you have it. Authentic wonton from Xinhui, China. Enjoy. So there you have it. Authentic Chinese wonton soup with sesame oil and green onions. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.